Hi everyone! Here's an activity you can do at home. At the Homer Lake Interpretive Center, we have a small display that includes things that visitors find out in the forest preserves. You too can make a mini nature museum from the things you find in your backyard. Includes small rocks, shells, bones, a snake shed, maple seed, and other things. You can see some of our treasures are kept in small, clear bug boxes. These are a great way to keep the more fragile treasures safe so they don't get broken. Be sure to get some nature books as well to display along with your treasures. Our favorites are the Peterson First Guide series and the Golden Guide series. Here are a few tips and pointers for your Nature Treasures mini museum. Ask your adults about how you can do this at your house, and make sure to not include anything that's wet, messy, smelly, or alive. We hope you enjoy putting together your own Nature's Treasures mini museum and hope you come visit a forest preserve soon.